If you've ever wanted to make passive income on YouTube by creating relaxing nature sound videos, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create ambient sound videos using rain and nature sounds for sleep, meditation, study, or focus. These videos are easy to create and can make you a lot of money if you do it right. Let me show you an example first before we get into the actual process. The Relaxed Guy is a YouTube channel with 1.4 million subscribers, posting nothing but rain videos. Most of these videos show a simple image or a looping video with a rain sound recording, and it plays in repeat for hours and hours. If we check the channel's stats on Social Blade, we see that they make up to $17,000 per month from AdSense ads alone. This channel gets hundreds of new subscribers every day, and 10,000s of views. But it doesn't stop here. You can even make rain sound videos without showing images, only a black screen, like this video that shows a message telling the viewer that the screen will turn dark in 5 seconds, and the sound keeps playing for many hours. How much work can this be? You can make videos like this in a few minutes, using the same rain sound every time. Just add a new thumbnail image and title and you're done. People love ambient sound videos for a variety of purposes: to fall asleep, for relaxation, to keep focus, for studying, and meditation. Popular examples include sounds like gentle rain, soothing ocean waves, forest sounds with chirping birds, the sound of flowing water, wind, waterfalls, and so on. These videos attract a large audience who are looking for calming background noise. There are 2 ways to make them. You can record nature videos and audio yourself with special equipment, but if you don't want to, you can download videos and sounds from the internet for free. Just make sure that when using royalty-free videos and audio files to give proper credit to the creators to avoid copyright strikes, especially if you plan on monetizing your videos. Using copyrighted music in your videos without giving credit or without having the proper rights could result in YouTube demonetizing your videos or taking down your complete channel. Let's assume that we want to make a simple rain video. We can start on Pexels and search for nature videos. Pexels is one of the best places to find royalty-free videos and images. You can download all the files you want from here, and there's no need to give credit to the makers if you use their graphics, although I prefer to leave a thank you note when using their work. Let's type in the keyword rain in the search bar, and search for some videos. I like this video with rain falling on leaves, so let's download this one. I want to combine 3 videos into my YouTube video project, so I need 2 more. You can use more short videos if you wish, but for this demo, I will only use 3. I also like this video here, so let's download that one too. Let's find a 3rd video that matches the rain theme. This video also looks fine, so let me download this one too. I can now use CapCut to combine these videos and loop them to make a long video. You can use any other editing software, but CapCut is easy and free to use, so I like it a lot. Let's open the CapCut video editing program and let me show you how to do it. First I will import the video files from my hard drive, and add them to the timeline. I can slow them down by adjusting the speed, I can adjust the colors and lighting, or I can add some special effects to the videos like a sparkle effect, to make them more unique. Feel free to play with all the different settings to make your video stand out from the rest. When done, I can make this video as long as I want by copying the 3 videos and pasting them over and over again until I have reached the length I want. Most nature sound videos last from 3 to 10 hours, or even longer, so it's up to you how long you want your video to be. I will make this a 1 hour long video, so I keep pasting the videos until I reach the 1 hour time limit. Now we need some rain and nature sounds to add to the video. To download these audio sounds, I use a website called freesound.org. Free Sounds Library and Pixabay are 2 other websites to find free sounds that you can download and use in your projects. I will leave the links to all the websites in this video in the description below. To make it really easy for you, I have created a free PDF file with step-by-step instructions on how to make these nature sound videos. You can download the file from my Gumroad store at no cost. Let's type in rain and forest in the search bar, and listen to a few of the audios. There's a lot of sounds to pick from, and when you find a sound that you like, click on the link to go to the download page with more information about the file. You can use all the audio files on Freesound, as long as you give credit to the maker. Some creators let you use their sound without giving them credit, but I always do it. Click on the Get Attribution text link, copy the information in the box, and save it for later to insert it in your YouTube video description. Now that we've found out audio, we can import the audio in CapCut and add it to our video. If the file is too short, just copy and paste the audio to make it match the length of the video. If there's a crack or something in between the files, you can adjust the sound by adding a fade-in or fade-out effect. To create a more layered soundscape, you can also mix in some music, which you can download from the YouTube audio library, Pixabay, or from a royalty-free website like Epidemic Sounds. For example, you can combine some soft piano music with the light rain for a peaceful effect, or you can also add some chirping bird sounds, ocean waves, or whatever you feel like. When you're satisfied, click Export to download the video to your computer. You'll have your completed nature sound video ready to upload to YouTube. You can either upload your video directly to your channel or live stream it for continuous play by using streaming software like OBS. Now you just repeat the process. Find new videos, add some audio to them, and upload to your channel. Once your channel meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos and earn revenue from AdSense ads. If you cannot monetize your videos, because you don't have enough watch hours or subscribers, you can also earn money from affiliate links. Include links to products, software, courses or apps in the video description for additional income. You can, for example, add a link to an Amazon white noise machine to help people sleep better, or a link to a meditation program. That's it. With a few video clips, royalty-free sounds, and some creativity, you can start making money from ambient sound videos on YouTube. There are many ways to grow your channel and earn passive income. You can post your videos on social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook to get more eyeballs to your videos and more subscribers, or you can make this type of content for other people on freelance sites like Fiverr or Upwork. The sky's the limit. If you have any questions about this video, just drop them in the comments below. If you want to read this information all over on your own time, download my free PDF report from my Gumroad store. The link is below in the description. Thanks for being here again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get all my latest money-making videos first. Have a great day.